Welcome to Hash Game, the on-chain prediction game built on verifiable randomness. Every round starts with a cryptographic hash. This hash is generated before any result is revealed, and because it's produced using secure hashing algorithms, it's completely unpredictable. No player, no system, and no admin can alter or foresee what the outcome will be. This is the foundation of provable fairness. Once the hash is set, players begin placing their predictions. You can guess based on different result attributes, like whether the outcome will be odd or even, high or low, or other size-based indicators. Every prediction you make is recorded on-chain, making your move transparent, traceable, and impossible to tamper with. When the round finishes, the game processes the hash to produce the final result. The reveal is instant, but more importantly, it's verifiable. Anyone can check the hash, review the computation, and confirm that the outcome aligns exactly with the pre-committed hash. That's the power of on-chain randomness. It removes trust from the equation and replaces it with math. Hash Game gives players a clean, fast, and fully transparent gaming experience. No hidden algorithms, no gimmicks. Just a fair prediction game powered by cryptographic truth. So whether you're testing your intuition, exploring on-chain gaming, or just looking for a provably fair experience, Hash Game lets you play with confidence. This is on-chain randomness done right. Welcome to Hash Game.
I'm here to present the project APT Casino, a fully on-chain randomness-based probability fair casino powered by OneChain, Supabase, Live and Python Entropy. So what is the exact problem? I created a gambling solution. Today 99% of Web2 and Web3 casinos scam users with rigged outcomes, hidden wager limit, restricted withdrawal policies and deceptive bonus schemes. Players lose control of fund, face high fees and can't prove fairness. Additionally, there are problems of zero transparency over game outcomes, bad UI UX, lack of gasless features and requirement of confirmation of transaction each and every time when you place a bet. To solve all this problem, presenting APT Casino, which is based on utilizing the Python Entropy, which offers 100% on-chain randomness, verifiably fair on-chain. Second, we are fully gasless. We don't require the user to pay any gas fees. Third, we have zero requirement to confirm the transactions. And fourth, we have seamless UI UX and intend to offer 10 times better UI UX than the existing casinos. To solve all this problem, we have APT Casino. So this is how the landing page or the website looks like, and the user can compare the key features, the featured games, how APT Casino works, tournaments, what our players say, latest updates, and entropy, how the entropy is being calculated, and all the stuff. So this is the games tab. The user can check multiple games that are present over the casino, but as of proof of concept and limited time frame, we developed Roulette, Flying Mines and Spinwheel, 4 games. So the user can go to Roulette. If they don't know how to play, what to play, they can understand the odds, the tutorials, they can check the most famous YouTube video as well, and if there is a high risk gambler, low risk gambler, kind of gambler, then they can check the additional things that are present. Then we have win probabilities. If you bet on a single number, if you bet on 2 number, 3 number, or whatsoever places, you can check the payout, the win percent, and every stuff. This is the live stats board which will update when I place a bet. So yeah, this is the leaderboard, and yeah, that's all the stuff this is present in each and every game. So now the user would have to send some tokens from their OneWallet to APT Casino wallet. So now I'm depositing 0.1. I just have to confirm the transaction, and yeah, done. We have sent 0.1 token from OneWallet to the APT Casino wallet. Now we don't need to confirm any transactions or do any stuff. So we just close this, and we can just play as of we are playing in any Web2 casino, place multiple bet, or whatsoever strategy you want to apply, you can do that. So the result was 12, and I think 3 bets won. Yeah. So now I have lost around 0.00001. So I can check the stats, and I can check, I have lost around 0.001 token, and I can verify 3 bets won, 4 bets lost, 4 bets won, 3 bets won, 5 bets lost. The number was red 12, and I can verify the game outcome if it was what it is showing on the transaction explorer of OneChain. So I can check the pi entropy value was 77479, which I can check from the Pyth, which is responsible for sending the transaction. To compare the logic, what's happening. This is the overview of how it's happening. And now I can go back and I can check on the explorer what happened. So the payout amount was 0.07, and what happened here is the result that winning number is 12, and the total bets were 8, winning bets were 3, and net result was 0.007. So this is what exactly happened, and this makes me understand that okay, the winning number is 12, which is red color, my bets were 8, and the outcome was calculated by Python entropy. So this is the first game of Roulette. We have similar game like Plinko, where you can drop the balls, change the number of rows, check the risk to make the multipliers go higher and higher, and it's all happening in real time on chain. So I can change it. I can also place on auto bet. Let's say I can just drop some 2 balls on auto bet. I just didn't click on bet, the ball just went. So yeah, that's the Plinko game, again generating results on chain and all the stuff. Then we have third game of mines, where you can there is a mine out of this 5x5 25 tile grid, and the more the tiles I open, the higher the multiplier gets, and I can cash out anytime. So yeah, if you want to risk it all and open a single time and get 25 times of the money, you can just click on 24 mines and start, and oops. So yeah, the chances are 96% mines, but yeah, the multiplier is also higher. So yeah, that's again fully on chain. That's the mines game, most popular game of stake.com. And now placing a bet on spin wheel, changing the segments to get the multiplier higher, and all the stuff is happening on chain. So this is a full-fledged casino. You can chat live while you play any of these games. So here are different users can chat live from there, and from another part of world you can just predict the number or whatsoever it is. That's the live feature, and once you are done playing all the game, you can just withdraw all your tokens back to your OneWallet. So I'm just withdrawing 0.997 tokens, and once it is withdrawn, my wallet will update. So yes, let me check it again if it has already sent. Okay, it has already sent. So yeah, it was 5.8, now it's 5.9, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it simply works. You don't have to confirm transaction, and if you want to stream just like pump.fun, you can do it here via live peer OBS studio or YouTube live. You can just create a stream, and the streamers know how to do that. Again, live OneChain and create live stream. Once you go live, click this playback URL, paste it over here, and it will go live. I'll show you the live thing via YouTube. Maybe that's more obvious. Live on okay, whatever it is. Let me just start the stream. Let's go public. It will take a couple of seconds to generate the live link, and once I have this live link, I can paste it in APT Casino streaming section, where different new users can check it out. Yes, I got the link. I just need to paste it. Once I'm done, I click on add. Once it is added, I can click on open HLS, and this will redirect me to the stream. So it is to the stream. Exactly. So I'm streaming live from YouTube Live, which is going live, and I can share screen and play all the games which will be visible inside APT Casino itself. So yeah, that's the beauty, and that's the overall platform about. So yeah, this is the exclusive technical architecture of how things are working. Just have a look. This is the treasury wallet address, which is responsible for sending that money after you win, lose, whatsoever happens, it goes inside this. This is the game logger stuff, where you can see the games are being logged over here, and yeah, you can check the remaining slides. The link of this is present inside the GitHub, as well as the docs which I attached in the Google form. Technology stack, technical architecture, market opportunity, revenue model, and roadmap. And yeah, if you want to explore the how behind the scenes and what is happening stuff, you can just go on to the GitHub and you can check it out, or the mermaid diagrams over here, which shows the game execution flow step by step, each and every step beautifully written, and you can understand it. So yeah, thank you. That's EPT Casino. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, GM. My name is Yehezkiel and you can call me Kiel. I am the developer of One Triangle. One Triangle is a no-lose GameFi savings, a DeFi protocol that gamifies stablecoin saving. You can deposit USDC, choose a faction, and then win the yield. And your principal is always protected. So this is my landing page. You can see the animation in background, and you can also change the language to the Chinese if you want. Okay, we all know the problem. Traditional saving are boring, and gambling is dangerous. You either sleep while earning pennies or you risk losing everything for a quick thrill. But what if you could have both? The thrill of the game with the safety of a saving account. This is One Triangle on OneChain. It is bridge between gamers, gambler, and investor, so you can play a game and win the yield with no lose guarantee. Now let's go to the arena. Do you hear the music? Do you feel the intensity? We designed this purposely. We want your heart to beat faster. We want you to feel the adrenaline of high-stakes casino. But hear the revolution. In a casino, the house wins. In One Triangle, you never lose your principal. So how it's work? Let's connect a wallet first. Okay, I will choose the faction that I want to choose, and I can see here the rock is currently lit, and I can see my position here. So to beat our work, we will use paper. So I will deposit into a paper, maybe 2. Yeah, the leader is changed into the schizo, and also we can see the scoring formula here. So this is a no-lose protocol. You deposit stablecoin. If you lose the game, you get 100% of your money back. If you win, you take the profit, the yield from the entire pool. It attracts everyone. For gamers, they get the rush without the risk ruin. For the gamers, get a strategy game, not a slot machine. For investor, they get a safe place to park capital with high upside. Let's read the full documentation. How we determine the winners. We use a simple formula but deep strategy. The score is a target minus predator. If you choose a walk, your target is a Caesar, and your predator is one that trying to kill you. That means it's a paper, because paper kill rock, and rock kills a Caesar, and Caesar kill a paper. To win the game, you want your target Caesar have a large pool of money, and your predator paper have a smaller pool. So the score is size of your target minus size of your predator. You are hunting a big pool while running away from your counter. The faction with the highest score takes the yield for the epoch. And what actually happening in the background of this game. All the deposit in the game vault is lent to the OneChain lending protocol to generate a yield and returns throughout each epoch. So all the winners will take the yield, not the principal of the losers. So that's why we say this is the no-lose platform gaming. Okay, finally for the conclusion, OneTiger turns decentralized finance into a massive multiplayer game. We are opening the door to a massive market. We make DeFi usable, enjoyable, and safe for the millions of people with strategy, adrenaline, and no lose. This is a one triangle. Thank you.
So, hi everyone, today I Pixel Cat Pomodoro Timer, which is a productive app that actually pay use tokens for staying focused. So, let's start with connecting with the wallet first. So when I click the connect wallets, the OneWallet plugins will actually pop up that the info that we want to access. And here is the connection of shows the address that we are connected to. We go to the setting and change it to the developer mode first for the demonstration for 35 minutes times just for the demonstration. Wait for the timer to finish. So after the timer finish, there's the mail sounds as a notification that tell the user that the 25 minutes of working time is actually passed, and let the user to receive one OCT token, and the user need to pay a little gas fee. So make sure when you test the code, you need to get one test token before you test anything. Token is actually increasing and deducted 0.1 token as a gas fee. So let's quick run through the short break. After the short break, so let's test another 25 minutes. So we are about to sign it and execute it so that the user will get the token. As you can see, the token is increasing here. It's where I fund the user from my treasury object. You can see from the settings. This is from another account that I create a treasury object, then I fund it with a bunch of test coin, and you can see that how many users that I can reward to. So once you get some OCT coin and you can go to the cat page and fit our very cute cat, and you can increase the happiness, and we'll see the hunger bar is actually increasing. You can go to the shops, and this will execute another sign contract that's actually deduct one OCT coin for the fish, and we can food here, and we can click press just feeding it. So user will through the Pomodoro session, earning coins, feeding the cat will actually randomly drop some NFT that are able to trade with others. You never know when you will get one. It's keep the reward loop exciting, and you can view your NFT including the token ID. So that's my Pomodoro timer that which we want user to stay productive, stay for the daily work routine.
Hello everyone, welcome to Candy Blast Mini, a fast, fun, candy-themed spin game built for everyone. Just tap spin, match 8 or more symbols anywhere in the game, and earn the rewards. So basically, it's a 6x5 grid where there are multiple game symbols like lollipop, watermelon, grape, strawberry candy, and stars. You just have to click on spin the game, and if you get matched with more than 8 tiles, you get multiplier rewards like 2x, 5x, and 10x. Currently, the betting amount is 20. It's set by default, and you do need a balance of points. So let's get first point. Connect wallet. We are using OneWallet to connect. Access. Now with the wallet is connected, we are having 4.60 city, but the balance is showing 0. So basically, we need points to get points. We have added a 0.1 OCT OCT to get 1,000 points. So yeah, I just made a transaction. Now we have to put 1,000 points to place a bet. We just have to spin. I just say it's spinning, and so no match found. So I just lost to 20. So just spin again and again, and if you get lucky, you can get points. If you get unlucky, you just simply lose your money. So yeah, you can see that there is 2x multiplier because I must just match with 8 plus combinations. So you can just play the game. continuously until you have the balance. If you want to top up the balance, just click on get points. You pay 0.1 OCT token and your balance get increased. Here's one more feature is like the moment you reach to 1500 points, you get an NFT reward. So let's also check it that. So let's suppose this is one more account. I do have like 1460 points. So let's check it here as well.
Moan Game is a full-chain battle royale built around strategy, psychology, and social decision-making. Every action is recorded on-chain, with rules that are fully transparent and impossible to manipulate. The mission is simple: outthink the crowd and survive to the end. Players start by connecting OneWallet. After that, they choose an arena tier that matches their risk level. The higher the tier, the larger the potential rewards. Once the arena fills with 10 to 50 players, the battle begins automatically. The game runs through elimination rounds. In every round, one player asks a question, and everyone else votes on what they believe the majority will choose. Here, survival depends on reading the room. The most popular answer survives, while the minority voters are eliminated. It's not about choosing what you think is right. It's about predicting what everyone else will do. This is where the social and psychological gameplay comes alive. Every question becomes a mind game. Do you follow the obvious choice? Do you bluff? Do you trust the crowd or try to outsmart it? Each vote can keep you alive or knock you out. If you survive all 3 rounds, you win. The remaining players split 95% of the total prize pool, with only a small platform fee deducted. And thanks to gasless gameplay, you only pay the entry fee. No transaction costs during the match. With transparent voting, instant on-chain results, and a simple but high-pressure structure, Moan Game turns social intuition into a competitive battle. Outguess the crowd, survive the eliminations, and outlast everyone else. This is Moan Game. Think fast, vote smart, and become the last survivor.
Defense GameFi, a revolutionary blockchain gaming experience built on Sway network. First, let's connect our wallet. Click the Connect Wallet button at the top right. Select your Sway wallet from the list. We support Sway Wallet, Suyet, and more. Great! Your wallet is now connected. Now let's explore the game. Let's start with Lucky Draw for Tower NFTs. Click on the Lucky Draw building to start. Here you can open mystery boxes to get random tower NFTs. Each draw costs 0.001 SUI. Now let's mint a monster NFT. Click Monster Draw to mint monster NFTs. There are 3 types available: normal, fast, and tank. Use these monsters to create challenges for other players. Click My Bag to view your NFTs. Here you can check all your towers and monsters in one place. Now let's visit the marketplace to trade NFTs. Here you can buy and sell tower NFTs with other players. Browse available towers and filter by rarity and stats. To sell, click List Tower to sell your NFTs, set your own price in SUI. This is direct peer-to-peer trading with no platform fees. You can purchase towers instantly with one click, and ownership transfers immediately on-chain. Time to play. Welcome to the game arena. Select a tower from your inventory and click on the map to place your towers strategically. Defend against 5 waves of monsters. Each wave increases in difficulty. Clear more waves for better rewards. If you clear wave 5, you have an 80% chance to earn epic or legendary NFT rewards. This is play to earn in action. Warning, if you lose, your tower will be burned. Let's explore the challenge system. Here you can create custom challenges using your monster NFTs. Click Create Challenge to get started. Set your initial prize pool in SUI, define the entry fee for participants, and set the maximum number of winners. Your monster NFT becomes the boss that other players must defeat. Other players pay the entry fee to participate, and winners share the total prize pool. You can also browse active challenges in the challenge hall. Select a challenge, pay the entry fee, and defeat the monster boss to win rewards. This is community-driven gameplay at its best. Click on Game History to track all your games and rewards. View your total games played and rewards earned. Check your best performance and statistics. All data is stored on-chain, making it transparent and verifiable. Play now at towerdefensegamify.versal.app. Built for OneChain OneHack 2.0. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Crypto Battle Arena. So the first step you have to do is connect your wallet. So connect OneWallet. Yeah, so as you can see, it's connected for me, and then I also have it here on the side, so I can open it. And as you can see, I already have some better tokens here, but if you are a new user and you don't have any better tokens, so just go here and mint. And for now, we don't have sponsored transactions, so you have to just do some faucet if you don't have any. So just mint it. You can mint 10 per day, yeah, for every user. So just mint the better token, and as you can see, the balance token will be updated in both the app itself and also in your wallet. The wallet might take some time. So yeah, see, it became 8. So you can just mint 10 per day, every day, and then you can use this to actually bet against the computer itself. So now let's move on to the battle part, where you can actually pick your warrior. So we make every crypto actually a warrior itself. And then I like H-bar, like Hedera is nice. Okay, let's go H-bar, and then you can enter any amount that you have. So I just do 2 for this example. So we'll start battle. And then I'll sign the transaction. Yeah, waiting for computer to join the battle. Yeah, I'll give you some minute to actually join the battle and stake 2 tokens as well. Yeah, and then the battle is started against TRX Tron. Interesting. Okay, so for this part, I'll just split it up because it actually take a minute to actually, fetch the live prices through the Binance API itself. So it will fetch the live price and then actually update it within the minute itself. So as you can see, I lost my 2 BTK, so I won't be able to get them back. Yeah, so I lost them. So as you can see now, I only have 7 BTK here. Previously I have 9. Yeah, so we just continue. So this is basically all about the app itself. So, but we have a lot to implement in the future. So we can add sponsored transactions. We can also let them mint NFTs with the BTK tokens once they have enough BTK tokens, and we'll sponsor the guests with our treasury itself. Yeah, but this is just a simple proof of concept of what this thing is capable of. And yeah, so that's all. Thank you for watching the demo.
I'm Shreyast, and welcome to OneUp, the OneChain Colosseum. OneUp is a high-stakes one-on-one trading arena where you don't just trade the market, you trade against an opponent. Instead of just holding tokens, players feature nativity tokens, enter a duel, and compete to get the highest ROI within a set time limit. Winner takes the whole pot. Now let's enter the arena. Let me connect my wallet before I tell you more about the project. Right. So I'll create a duel right now. This is the wager amount, this is the duration, and I'll create the duel. I'll get a transaction from OneWallet, and I'll sign this transaction. When I sign this, the smart contract escrows my wager instantly. This is the power of OneChain, near instant finality. My duel is now live in the Gladiator lobby right here, waiting for a challenger. I will disconnect my wallet. I will switch to my another account right here. and will connect my wallet right now. Now I can accept the challenge right here. So I'll sign this transaction. Now this is the most critical part of our tech stack, the fairness engine. If the price of OCT pumps during the game, a passive holder would just win by doing nothing. That's not skill. To fix this, OneUp takes a snapshot of the OCT price the moment the duel starts. Now let's say 1.50. Through this entire game, your portfolio value is calculated against this logged starting price. This isolates pure trading skill from market volatility. You can't just win by because the market went up. You have to outtrade your opponent. Now this is a simulated price feed. The reason for this is we actually used the real price feeds, but they were not volatile enough, and this did make for a good trading game. Now this is the live ROI performance chart. So this will go up and down. I'll show you how. And this is the instructions to play. You can read this here, and as well as you can go to the GitHub to get more details about the hackathon, about the project. Now I'll just show you how I swap. So if I swap from OCT to USD, I'll sign the transaction right now, and I was able to swap for a decent amount of price, and this is how the graph changes. Now let me how to swap back from USD to OCT back. So I'll sign this transaction right now. Right. So you can see the portfolio value is also changing, as well as this is changing as well. So like after this duel ends, I'll show you just right now when this duel ends what happened. So the duel is included and the automated referee has kicked in. This is a Node.js backend service that runs on Railway. It monitors the blockchain and detects the time expiry, calculates the final scores based on the locked price, and executes the resolution transaction on chain. So the contract has released funds, the duel has been resolved, and the creator has won with a better ROI. And so OneUp isn't just a game, it's a new way to engage with the market. So this has been built for OneHack 2025. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun playing it.